Probably should get an onion. A nice red onion really makes the sandwich. What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here. We'll show three-way. Today we're doing another burger because I was craving a burger. We haven't done a video in a while because I'm really trying to find places around 4 a.m. during the day that I can find places to eat. So chipping away at all of them, getting really low. So I found this place today. I just Googled burgers in my area and I came across Smash Burger. Never heard of it. I'm not even sure if I ate their one before. I might have eaten one before, but I'm not really sure. But, so what I get. When they're ordered online, I got like their bacon smash burger, has cheese, jalapeno. I added jalapenos, some lettuce, Swiss cheese, bacon. Oh, well, let's see how it is. It was, I'm gonna put the price on these things after I pay. It was like $13 or something like that. $11 or $13. I got fries. Now, I was skeptical with the fries. They had smash fries, which had like olive oil and garlic, but I didn't want to smell up everything up. But they had regular fries, $3. Oh, money for fries. I can go to Burger King for $1. So let's test the fries real quick. They're not even hot. They're thin. They're like roast beef sandwich shop fries. You know the ones you get like at a Greek roast beef shop? They're definitely frozen. I'm not gonna cut them now. You know? I think these are like exactly the frozen fries you buy at, you get them at like Stop and Shop in that bag. You know, I heat up in the, whatchamacallit, the, fryer. Instant fryer, what the hell those things called? You know what I'm talking about. Put them in the fryer. Speed fryer. Air fryer. Air fryer, that's right. Give them to my kid. You know what I mean, when he's hungry. Alright, so here we go. So I think next time, if this is any good, I won't order online because clearly the fries are ice cold. So, lose a point there. But, let's look at the presentation of the burger. This looks like a good burger. The bun looks very nice. It's a little toasted inside there, which is always a pleasure. Probably should get an onion. A nice red onion really makes the sandwich special, you know what I mean? So the contents inside with tomato, bacon, the patty. Looks like a decent sized patty. Not like the squished down patties that we had at the shake and, you know, I keep calling it shake and bake, but it's not. Steak and shake. But, alright, let's give it a test, see what this tastes like, and we'll evaluate it from there. Okay. The barbecue sauce is really, really good. Not bad. Burger's actually tasty. It actually has flavor to the burger, which is usually doesn't happen with these burger. There's some barbecue sauce in some burger type places. But burger taste. Burger has juicy. It's a juicy burger. The jalapenos do add a little kick to it. With the swish. Next time maybe I get some mushrooms was an option. Maybe I'll do that next time. So far so good. Let me finish eating and now I'll get back to you and I'll evaluate this whole situation and let you know what, like, Alright, so we got like a bite or two left. I gotta say, I'm actually pretty impressed. Out of all the burger places we looked at Steak and Shake. I wasn't crazy about that place. We looked at, was the only burger place we went to? That was the only other burger place we did on the show. I think about in general all the burger places I went to. This is actually a good burger. I would totally suggest going to Smash Burger and smash it. Get the one I want. Be careful, it looks like they put mayonnaise on everything. I noticed that when I was pushing the order online. So, you may just want to avoid. Make sure you say no mayonnaise if you don't like mayonnaise. Just for point of reference, Smash Burger is located. It's a Fells Way. I don't have an address on the thing either. It's in Medford from the Fells Way strip mall. Over Wellington Circle this year. So I've only seen two that popped up in my search. There's this one, and I think there's one in downtown Boston somewhere. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like watching me eat and be orgasmic about burgers and such, continue watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this burger. I'm curious. Or if there's any other burger places you want me to check out. I'm gonna go from there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.